G'day guys, today I'm doing some kayak fishing at Waranga Basin with my good friend Robbie Alexander. Well, me and Robbie are going to start trolling and try and find a school of redfin to cast to. Robbie's trolling a one well lunch. I've got a Bullet Lures 5.0 minnow and I'll follow him around that way. Robbie's hooked up in front of me and I'm about to go through the patch where he hooked up.
Look at that! Look at that, Rowan.
Ripper fish, mate. Congratulations. I just came through the same patch and I didn't get one.
Yeah, there's one that's usually more. Now, I already caught a few fish.
Oh, fish! Fish on! Feels alright too. Nearly dropped me paddle. There we go, I just dropped one. Ah, he's not as big as I thought. They always confuse me when I'm trolling. There we go, first fish. And that's caught on a little cheap diving lure from Big W. You ripper. First fish on the board, only a little tacker. But I'm in the game. See you, mate. All right, let's keep going. Well, Robbie's just hooked up in the same place that I just caught my last fish, so I'm going to troll back the other way and try and get a few more. It must be a nice school there. It looks like Robbie's onto his third fish up there. I trolled past and he stopped and cast around and ended up catching one, so I might go troll back to where he is and cast with him. See if we can keep the school in place and keep catching. Oh, fish! He's only little, I think. I came out deeper and put a bigger lure on because it's been very quiet. But I finally caught another one. Come here, mate. Yep, he is tiny. A bigger lure caught me a smaller fish. Isn't that funny? Oh well, fish is a fish. Number two. Ah, look, he's probably about the same size as the first one I caught. Oh well, see you later, mate. Tried to flip him and go head first, but he did a thing. Seen these kangaroo prints?
Oh, really?
Oh.
There's plenty of them around here. I've seen them on the road plenty of times.
Oh, this would be funny to show on a video, I reckon. Because he's got, that's from his right leg, that's from his left leg, that's from his right hand, that's from his left hand. What's the one in the middle from?
That's a Robbie kangaroo.
Yeah.
Robbie's caught a fish out there or something.
Yeah, we just pulled over for a stretch and had a flick and Robbie's onto another one. He is caning me today. 7. Seagull laughed. Got him. Yes. Tied on a jiggle fishing crankbait. Just lipless crankbait, just for something different. And I've jagged a poor redfin in the guts. Hey, Robbie.
Oh, top job. That takes a special skill.
You know, that went straight to his stomach.
Via his anus.
Goodness me. Look, I'm going to grab this thing by the mouth before I get hurt. Oh, geez, he's got a big gob on him for a little fish. Throw that out there. Look at the lower lip on this redfin. Look at this. What is that? You think you're a cod, mate? I've never seen that. That's unreal. I'll show Robbie. I've seen some weird redfin before, but I've never seen one with a lip like this. Look. Here, take him. Have a look at the lip on it.
It's a piranha redfin.
Got it. Yeah, it's weird. Look at him. bit like a bass even, American bass. One largemouth bass redfin, back in the water. See you later. Yeah, it was different. I don't think I was recording any of that last fish I caught. Yeah, it doesn't matter. I just went to stop it and started again, and it just started.
Otherwise all the wannabe Brett Corkers will show up.
Oh, nope, that's a snag. It's right in front of me too. Oh, that looks like a fish. I wasn't even looking. Yeah, it is a fish. I was just looking over at where the point is to align myself with the bank, and I looked back and my rod was bouncing around. It's probably the smallest fish of the day, if I had to guess. Come on, mate. Up. Oh, look, he's about the same as the rest that I've caught, to be honest with you. Pretty typical size. Oh, he's you know what, he's probably one of the bigger ones I've caught today. I haven't done that well today with the size, but I'm catching fish. They're few and far between, but I'm catching fish. See you, mate. Oh. Oh.
You are hooked one just back there a little bit.
That was definitely a fish. Well, the rod just bent back twice as quick as the kayak was travelling, so it had to have been a fish. Ooh. Fish. Got him. It's hard to tell how big they are when you're trolling, but this one feels okay, I think. No, I think it's just another small one. Or maybe. Yeah, about the same again. Whoa, he nearly went flying. Yep, he did go flying eventually. Come on, mate. I'll put you back in the water if you come here. Well, there you go. Another 20-ish centimetre redfin. About the same as the rest of mine, Robbie.
Yeah, about the same.
I reckon I've caught the same fish 10 times today. See you, bud. Head first. Beautiful. Cast back out behind me and we will resume the trolling. Oh, wow. Okay, this one feels bigger than the last one. Surely I'm going to call one of these right. Yeah, this has got to be a bigger fish. It has to be. Come up, let me look at you. Oh, yes, that is a much. Oh, he got a. What else can you do but laugh? It was about a 30 centimetre redfin. He was a ripping fish. I'm gonna go back that way and try and catch another one. Bugger! That would have been dinner. Oh, yes! Another good fish, I think. I'm not even, no, actually, you know what? Let's just leave this one and see what it is. It's probably another 20 centimetre ready. But I pulled him out of probably the same spot that I hooked that nice big redfin from just earlier. I trolled back through it a couple of times and got another one. He's smaller though. Another 20-ish centimetre redfin. Caught plenty of these today. There we go, yet another 20-ish centimetre redfin from Waranga Basin. Spewing that 30 got off. See you, bud, he wriggled loose before I could even let him go. This tiny one's busting up right where I'm about to paddle. Hopefully there's some bigger ones chasing those tinier ones. And one of them takes my lure in about 4 seconds. Here we see the Safari H2O Murrays in their natural habitat. Alright, I'll have one more crack at this. Well, 4 hours of paddling around and we both caught a handful of fish each. It's been pretty slow, but it's been fun. Most fish caught on the troll. Bust ups everywhere, casting to them, yielded little to no results. Like I said, we had a lot of fun. Hopefully you enjoyed watching, and I'll see you next time.
I haven't filmed. I've been in photo mode for the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
No.
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 frames.
Oh no.